Welcome to our channel. If you have accumulated Citi ThankYou points and want to convert them to airline miles for maximum value, follow these steps to transfer your points to airline partners. Step 1. Go to the Citi ThankYou Rewards website and log in using your Citi credit card credentials. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Redeem Points or Use Points section from the main menu. Step 3. Select Transfer Points to choose from Citi's list of airline transfer partners, which includes major airlines such as JetBlue, Singapore Airlines, Avianca, Cathay Pacific, and more. Step 4. Review the transfer ratios for each airline. Most airlines accept Citi ThankYou points at a 1-to-1 ratio, but some may have different conversion rates. Step 5. Choose the airline loyalty program where you want to transfer your points. Make sure you have an active frequent flyer account with that airline before proceeding. Step 6. Enter your frequent flyer account number and the number of points you want to transfer. Double-check the account number to avoid sending points to the wrong account. Step 7. Confirm the transfer details, including the number of points and the destination airline program. Review any terms and conditions before finalizing. Step 8. Submit the transfer request. Most transfers are processed instantly, but some airline partners may take 24 to 48 hours to reflect the points in your account. Log into your airline loyalty account to verify the points have been credited. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.